Have you ever wondered if we will have enough food to feed everyone on the planet in the next decade? It's a question that's becoming increasingly relevant as we grapple with the reality of global food shortages. Right now, across the globe, countless people are experiencing the harsh reality of not having enough to eat. This issue is not confined to any one region, it's a collective struggle, affecting communities from the arid plains of Africa to the bustling cities of Asia. The severity of this problem is being intensified by two key factors: climate change and population growth. As our planet warms and our population continues to explode, the pressure on our food resources is mounting. Unexpected droughts, unpredictable floods, and extreme heat waves are playing havoc with crop yields, while an additional 2 billion mouths to feed by 2050 puts a strain on already stretched resources. In a world where millions go hungry, could we possibly predict and prevent these shortages? Believe it or not, technology might have the answer. Imagine if we could forecast food shortages the same way we predict weather. Actually, we can, and it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword in the tech world anymore. It's making its mark in agriculture too, revolutionizing the way we grow our food. Advanced AI models are capable of analyzing vast amounts of agricultural data and climate patterns, much more than any human could ever manage. This includes everything from soil composition and rainfall patterns to temperature fluctuations and pest populations. These AI models are not just collecting data. They're using it to make predictions about crop yields, forecasting which regions might face a bumper harvest and which might suffer a shortfall. This sort of predictive power could be a game changer when it comes to tackling food shortages. Imagine knowing in advance that a particular region is going to face a food shortage. That information could be used to inform preventative measures and resource allocation. Governments could stockpile food supplies, farmers could adjust their planting schedules, and aid organizations could coordinate their efforts more effectively. This is not just a pipe dream, it's happening right now. AI is helping us to optimize farming practices, manage resources more efficiently, and ultimately ensure that everyone has enough to eat. By crunching massive amounts of data and spotting patterns, AI has become an invaluable tool in our fight against food shortages. So, why does it matter that AI can predict food shortages? Imagine a world where we can foresee a crisis before it hits, enabling us to take preventive actions and allocate resources efficiently. That's the power of AI in predicting global food shortages. It's not just about crunching numbers or analyzing data. It's about taking a proactive approach to a problem that affects millions worldwide. Food shortages are a complex issue, influenced by a myriad of factors from climate change to political instability. Traditional methods of predicting these shortages have often fallen short, leaving us scrambling to respond when a crisis hits. Here's where AI steps in, providing a more accurate, efficient, and timely prediction. Advanced AI models analyze vast amounts of agricultural data and climate patterns, identifying trends and correlations that might be missed by the human eye. It's like having a superpowered crystal ball that can sift through a mountain of information in seconds, pinpointing potential problem areas with remarkable precision. But what does this mean in practical terms? For starters, improved resource allocation. If we know a certain region is likely to experience a shortage, resources can be directed there in advance, reducing the impact. It's about being one step ahead, not just playing catch-up when the crisis is already underway. Better preparedness is another key benefit. Food crises can be devastating, leading to malnutrition, economic instability, even conflict. If we can anticipate these crises, we can put measures in place to mitigate their effects. This could mean anything from implementing sustainable farming practices to setting up emergency food reserves. Perhaps most importantly, these predictions can inform preventative measures. Prevention, as they say, is better than cure. If we know what's coming, we can work on strategies to prevent or at least lessen the impact of shortages. This could range from developing drought-resistant crops to investing in infrastructure to support food storage and distribution. The implications are far-reaching, touching on everything from global health to economic stability. Governments, organizations, and individuals can use these insights to make informed decisions, tackling food shortages proactively rather than reactively. In the face of global food shortages, AI isn't just a fancy tool, it's a lifeline, offering us a chance to foresee problems and take action before it's too late.